Hyundai Boulder Concept is an SUV-shaped design preview of Hyundai's first US body-on-frame vehicle, a mid-size pickup truck due by 2030. The Boulder Concept SUV's construction and appearance is more than a clear indication of Hyundai's future design vector. It's a signal about the unlimited potential for rugged off-road capability and do-it-all utility that will be hallmarks of the company's future body-on-frame production vehicles. The Boulder Concept's overall silhouette presents an upright greenhouse that yields a commanding presence and excellent visibility. Dual safari-style fixed upper windows flood the cabin with light and ensure no sightseeing opportunities are missed. Coach-style doors reveal enhanced side-loading capabilities for both first and second rows. A stout, low-profile roof rack includes steel webbing between the roof rails for extra cargo carrying capability. Boulder's entire art of steel exterior is captured in a brilliant interpretation of liquid titanium finish. Boulder also delivers generous ground clearance thanks to its oversized 37-inch mud terrain 37 by 12.50R 18 LT tires, including a tailgate-mounted full-size spare for confident off-road exploring. Key elements of the Boulder Concept's exterior, such as tow hooks and door handles, include reflective material that highlights the vehicle's silhouette in the evening hours, making it easier to identify from a distance after a day of adventures. Boulder even offers a novel, versatile double-hinged rear tailgate that opens from either side to accommodate every loading and unloading scenario. The Boulder Concept's interior utilizes robust materials for key touchpoints, including grab bars and other high-wear areas. Frequent use switchgear includes satisfying physical knobs and buttons, with an easy reach for confidence-inspiring use. Even when bouncing over uneven terrain, the Boulder Concept features a configurable interior that supports every moment of your adventure. Unique fold-out tray tables are great for a quick lunch on the trail or for finishing a key report out in the field.